Hey everybody, it's Walker at Full Spectrum Laser, and welcome to In the Cut, where we kind of just watch the laser do its thing. Now today, I have a laser cut barrel and I need to fill it with some monkeys because this week's about toys. So let's get cutting. So we've already did the vector marks. That's a kiss cut to some people, where it's just marking the material with the vector mark, and that's the quickest way to get details onto a piece rather than actually engraving it. So now we're cutting out the main shape of the body, and you can actually see the sparking there from the laser penetrating the material and hitting the edge of that honeycomb. Remember, it can't cut metal, so it's going to hit that metal and react and then show that spark through the material, and that's how you know it's getting a good cut. Now we're getting through the cut on the blue piece, and once again it is sparking, so we know it's going through, and we did the vector marking, and you can always think big with this project. Now this project's gonna be our 1 hour build this week. It's gonna be barrel and the monkeys, and the barrel can be multi-used. But remember, you can always take these files and scale them up huge, just do giant barrel of monkeys, anything like that. So always be creative with our projects, and always learn something as you're watching us cut two different materials. Now when it comes to mass production, you want to think about using the most material possible without any waste of the negative space, because acrylic can be expensive, so we want to use most of it with our designs. So what you want to do is nest your project as much as possible, and that means getting the most for your material. So you can see that the monkeys I set up so they kind of fit within each other, just to actually optimize that material. And the monkeys themselves are kind of an odd design, so it is a bit difficult, but you can think of this like if you're just cutting squares or circles, always a tight nesting to waste the least amount of material. So our cut is almost done, and if you haven't noticed, the monkeys have no mouths. And that's because I'm gonna draw different faces on different monkeys. So now I have a happy monkey and a mad monkey. Just to show different ways that you can have fun with your laser cutter. Imagine you have kids and you want to have them draw different faces on their cuts, or even if you put, your face on the monkey and it was a barrel full of dads or grandpas or whatever. So I hope it got you guys' gears going for Toys Week. Watch us tomorrow on Laser Talk with Nick and I. And until next time, keep making.
Alright, so. Hey everybody, I'm Walker. Make sure to subscribe